Hi everyone, this is my son and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss two questions that is very important for Iit-Jee or Neet, and you have to pause the video and try to find out your answer. Now mainly this alkyl halide chapter I am trying to do more and more question. See here, which of the following will be major product? Okay, you can see this reactant, and this is what? Potassium tart butoxide. Yes, bulky base. Okay, strong bulky base, and they are asking the major product. Once I said the word bulky, you should understand that bulky base are not good for substitution, so it will go for elimination. Okay, and here it is strong. Since it is strong, it will go for E2 rather than E1. And since it is bulky, even though it is going for E2, then only E2 what we are going to prefer? We are going to prefer the alkene which is more stable. Like here alkene also there, here also there, here also there. If you try to find out, this is the most stable alkene. But you have to remember, this is so bulky that it cannot go inside to take this proton. Okay, here also proton is there, here also proton is there, but it has to take from this to anyone. Yes, either it has to take from this alpha position or from this position. But since it is bulky, it cannot go to inside. It will go from partially from this periphery in this side, and it will take this proton and it will leave in the form of proton. It will go, base will go, and this negative charge will come here, and after that this Cl will leave. So you will get this product. Okay, this is Hoffman product. Mostly for strong base we are going for Z product, which is this one, but in this case due to bulkiness it will go for Hoffman product. So be careful, this will be the answer, and you have to understand the concept behind why it is happening. First of all, it is bulky, it has no ability to substitution, it has to go for elimination. Then it is strong, so it will show E2. Even though it is E2 and it is bulky, so it will go to where steric hindrance is least, it will go one side and it will take the proton. Hope you got it. So this is the correct answer. You should not see other option. Now come to here. This is very important. Even though it is also important, tertiary butoxide is important. Now this one you see. So it is here fluorine is there. Okay. In alkyl halide, wherever fluorine you are getting, one thing you remember: this fluorine containing compound is neither showing SN1 nor SN2. So whatever is there, and heat, obviously heat is a symbol that elimination you have to do, but still even heat is not giving, you have to understand that it is not going to show substitution, it will go for elimination. Okay, after that you have to understand that fluorine containing compound, since it is very poor leaving group, so it will show E1CB mechanism. E1CB mechanism. Okay, once it is showing E1CB, now E1CB you have to understand one thing. First of all, you have to produce, fluorine is there, right? You focus here. First of all, you have to produce this will act as a base and it will take one proton. You have to produce one carbanion. Now you know already that to remove this fluorine, either we need to target this carbon or this carbon. So two places you can produce your carbanion, here also, here also. Yes, between these two, which one is more stable, that you have to produce. Okay, that you have to create. So more stable carbanion is the intermediate here. So more stable carbanion is this one, not this one. Okay, this is secondary, this is primary, and from this methyl group we are getting some plus I. So we don't want unstable carbanion, we want stable carbanion. So we have to produce the primary carbanion. Okay, this one is going to produce in this case, and after that this negative charge will come like this, and now this F minus will go. Since it is very poor leaving group, we have to create this carbanion and we have to bring that negative charge to here, and so that fluorine will leave. So this way you will get double bond where? Here. Yes. If you understand this much, that due to this poorness, it is first of all not going to show SN1, SN2. Now when it is coming for elimination process is E1CB. In E1CB, carbanion is the intermediate, and we have to produce the stable carbanion. Okay. We should not see that stable alkene or not. We have to see the stable carbanion, and after that we have to remove that fluorine. So this cannot possible. Even though many one will go for this one because by thinking that is this alkene is more stable, but that is not the case. So this is the correct answer. Okay, and this is here they have not given neither SN substitution nor elimination, and here they are showing substitution, which is also not possible. So hope you got it. Thank you for watching, and do share with your friends so that I can make more and more videos. Thank you.